Hello everybody, this is Reviews and More, back with a quick review. This is on the MoRelax or MoRelax massage gun, and this is the unboxing real fast. This is a $40 item on Amazon from the brand MoRelax. They sell various massagers. This is one of their bigger items. There's my phone going off because I'm super unprofessional. But as things go on, please hit the like and subscribe button. Ask any questions you might have in the comments, and I'll try to address them as quickly as I am able. So there's like the thank you card, all the various instructions. It's pretty much plug and play. And speaking of the plug, it operates with a USB Type-C, which is awesome because that's now standard on cell phones. So you basically have interchangeable chargers. As long as you have a cell phone charger hooked up, you can charge this thing up wherever it needs to go. It has 4 settings, from a lower to a crazy high setting, which I'll demonstrate in slow motion towards the end. It is very, very quiet. It makes a buzzing noise, obviously, because it is a massage gun, so it does make some sound along with it, but not too noisy at all. You cannot, if you're in the other room, you can't hear it. It is now, at this point in my life, it is a daily, nightly routine. It goes right on my feet, and after a long day of work, I massage the feet. My wife does the same thing, and it comes with all the various little settings there. We kind of stick to the rubber ball at the end. That's kind of the universal one that works the best for us, but it has all these various ones for different uses, for getting knots out of muscles and whatnot. But overall, we've used on back, legs, feet especially. Shoulders are really great. For me, the area around my back I get really sore is in my middle back, thoracic spine, I think is what they call it. But it works really, really well to get that kind of tightness out. And overall, really happy with the item. It turned out really nice, and for $40, I think it's like 10% off right now with a coupon that's on Amazon. And really great deal. And again, you see how small it is. I have relatively large hands, but it's much smaller than some of the larger ones that are out there. They kind of do the exact same thing. This can be held with one hand, and you don't have to actually hold it like a big old gun. You can kind of put your ring finger around the break there and kind of hold it almost like a set of brass knuckles, for lack of a better term, like you're holding it, and it's kind of pumping right there. So there you go. This is all the various settings. The little blue lights tell you what's going on, and overall really happy with the product. It does exactly what you would think it would do, and it is very effective. It does not lose power when applying more pressure. It kind of just powers right through it. I've never actually run the battery all the way down, but just because I put on the charger before I would need to, but the charge actually lasts quite a while. The charge that came on it was about a half charge, and my wife and I tested it out for a good 30 to 45 minutes, just kind of messing around, and it did not lose any power the entire time. So overall, again, really great product. $40 on Amazon. I think it's 10% off right now, and it's like 2-day shipping if you got Prime. But here's my gorgeous, gorgeous leg, which has been mauled by my puppy. But there you see it working, and in just a moment you'll see it actually with slow motion to see what's going on. And the slow motion will be on its highest setting. So again, overall, guys, it's worked out really great, and can't speak more highly of it. It's like the nightly routine now is to use this thing, so it's pretty awesome. I will say this, though, apparently there is some concerns about people who use it too often on their necks in that area because there's so much stuff going on with various veins in there. My wife and I do not use it there, so that's like a PSA. Apparently this has been a common issue since these massage guns have become more and more popular with brands like Tim Tam and stuff like that, that when you use it on your neck it can cause issues. So I use it on my shoulders, my back, my legs, all the various parts there. There you see it really working, making craters. You'll see that in slow motion in just a second. But overall, really happy with it. And again, just the one thing, not using it on your neck is probably the only advice I could give. Here's the slow motion.